Hello everyone, this is Edgar with Joe's Game Electronics, and today we'll be showing you how to use the Bose QC 45 button kit, replacement kit. You got the Philips 2.0, a spudger, and your button, and it's quite simple. First, this will be done on the right side, as that is where the button's at. You want to pop off the ear pad, which is really simple, you don't have to worry. Just pull on it and it pops off. It's sitting by these little clips right there, nice and simple. I already pull out 2 screws just so the video is not long. There'll be 3 screws. You don't have to pull this off. One right there, and one right there. Once you get your 3 screws out, want to flip the headphones over and use your spudger. Sometimes it will pop out, as simple as that, but just in case for some reason it's not, get your spudger in here and you can just pull up nice and slow, but be careful when you're pulling up as it is connected. The ANC is connected on this side. Now use your spudger, grab one side of the button and the spudger on the other side, and you just pop it off just like that. The button has a little square there, and that button has a little square there. You just want to place that in that. Nice and easy. Place the board back cover back on. Make sure it's flush. If it's sitting up like that right there, that's not good. Something's in the way. So make sure when you squeeze it down, it's flush on each side. Then I want to flip it back over. Grab your 3 screws. Pop this up. Put your screws back in. Screw it in. Place your ear pad back on. You got just little clips, and you'll place it in. You hear that every time you click a clip in, and you are done. Congratulations, you just completed QC 45 button repair.
Thanks for watching the video, guys. If you guys love what we do, please support us. You guys can click on the links that we have on the end screen. You guys can buy our parts, sales, or service so we can continue to make great videos for you guys for many more years. Thank you.